What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. I'm Shad. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. And if you like the content, on your way out, hit that like button as well. So today we're gonna jump into the third installment of the Getback series, which is a shoe that I've either picked up recently, that I've had in the past and no longer had, or a sneaker that I never had and always wanted, and I got my hands on them. This came out 3 years ago, and it wasn't really well received by a lot of people. A lot of critics weren't really feeling the shoe, and it's the Air Jordan 4 Fiba. So this shoe came out in 2019, September 7th, 2019, almost 3 years ago. Retail price was $200. Now, I think that was the first point of contention for a lot of people. That price tag was a lot higher than what they were used to paying for Air Jordan 4. Plus, it was an OG colorway, and it had a lot of other funky things going on with the shoe that, you know, people weren't really feeling. I actually like this shoe. I picked these up when they first dropped. I had a couple of pairs. I got rid of them both under retail. I sold them for under retail. And then, you know, as time went by, I realized that I really liked the shoe for a few different reasons. And I'll touch on that in just a second. But, you know, I got it back recently, picked these up on GOAT. Price was up a little bit, still not crazy over retail. So not a bad buy for me at all. Now, the red on this upper is a little bit different than what you're used to. So it's a gym red, but it's, on camera, it looks really bright, but it's a lot more dull in person. The tumbled leather on the upper really feels premium. That was one of the main things that I liked about the shoe. What I really liked is that you swap out the netting on the tongue and then on the side cage for these graphics, which are actually the national flags of the competing teams for the 2019 FIBA World Tournament. So if you guys don't know what the FIBA World Championship is, it's a basketball tournament held by a particular hosting country, and many countries participate. It's kind of like the Olympics of basketball. You know, you've got professional players from many different countries that are playing for their national teams. And so, you know, that's what this shoe is resembling. This was from the 2019 tournament, which was actually held in China. And I believe the colorway itself is resembling the actual color of the FIBA logo. I thought naturally it would be like the USA colorway, but I think because of the fact that it has all of the other countries on the graphics here, that it actually is more resembling the logo, and I actually saw that on court, so that's what gives me that impression. But post a comment below, let me know if this was supposed to represent USA or if it's actually representing the FIBA colors in general. I like the breakup of the red with the midsole being white and obsidian. Same thing on the outsole, you've got the red, white, and the obsidian hits as well. Standard Air Jordan 4 Air Pocket on the heel. You've got the obsidian hits on the eyelets on both the forefoot and then on the top of that winglet there. You got the nylon tag on the tongue with the obsidian Jumpman of flight and white stitching. On the inside of the tongue, you have the words "for the love of the game." Another thing that I really like about the shoe is that you've got the gold Jumpman logo on the heel. Again, the shoe feels really nice. It does feel really premium. And I want to know, since some time has passed, do you guys still feel the same way about this shoe? You know, Jordan 4s have had a nice little run the last year or so. This is a shoe that I actually like. A lot of people disagree. They don't like this shoe, but I really did like this shoe for a lot of different reasons. And so that's why I wanted to go back and get it again. But post a comment, let me know what you think about this shoe. Did you like this shoe back then, or did you not like it and like it now? I definitely want to know what people feel about this shoe 3 years later. You've got some time to let it sit around. But that's it. Like I said, this is the third installment of the Get Back. I've got more sneakers coming up. Please stay tuned. If you haven't yet subscribed, again, please make sure to do so. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a drop. And like always, I will catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.